How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am redoing, I might not do everything today, but it's only a little bit. I am doing my fall lights for my O2 taillight. Fall lights for my O2 Acura TL. So I did this actually years ago, which was pretty cool. And that was like 2016. So what I did was, people were young, no reason. So what I did was, because the fall lights, so usually the fall lights come with the glass, and at the time I didn't want to buy an up here. So what I did is the glass broke, took both the headlights, the fog lights out, and repainted them, which I'll probably do down maybe tomorrow. Not today, yeah, tomorrow actually. Repainted it. It was all silver, now they black. And so a couple of weeks ago, I just happened to look how much these things cost up here. Depends what website you go to. Some might get a bargain between 89 up to 200. So here's my thought. Instead of me buying a whole new pair, what I was gonna do is what I did was I went to go buy acrylic sheet. So I was not gonna spend $200 on it. I mean, they were well conditioned. They're good condition. The fall lights housing are really good condition. And I happened to do that on purpose because, again, I'm not spending $200 for it. Really, people start texting while you videoing. So anyway. I didn't want to spend $200 and buying another pair of fog lights. And again, I did this 2 years ago, so these are my old ones. Oh, you can't even freaking. I thought it was cool to put like special effects. This ain't work out. So what I did with the glass, pretty much traced it out, coat sheet. It does have no plastic up here to keep it clean, all that good stuff. And pretty much it's simple to do. It's not that hard to do. And if you flip it over, it's gonna be the same thing as your, if you have a template like this, and if you flip it over, it's gonna be the same thing as your left hand side. So you got your right hand side this way, the left hand side is gonna be that way. It's gonna get loud, I promise you, because they want to freaking mow the lawn today, and it's not freaking funny. So I'm gonna do this real quick before these crazy people start coming in. So what I mean by that, so here's actually pretty much the same. And I made these in 2016. So if you take it and you flip it, either way, you'll get the same shape. We'll do this real quick, and I'm gonna show you how I really do it. It's really not that hard. I try to give myself dirt. See if I can get myself some room. Alright, cool. Actually, this works perfect. So when you're doing this, make sure you give yourself a little room. Usually you could do the bottom, but go a couple inches from the bottom. Just gonna do one now, and then Somebody's talking about that here. It's so itchy. And this way you save a lot of money. I mean, you can do this with any fog lights that you have, or you want to do it with your headlights. It shouldn't even matter. I just do it because it's the quick way of, instead of me ordering new ones. I could do it myself, and it's a good DIY project too. So simple as that. Since I did it that way, like that one, I could just flip it over. Myself a little bit of room. That's not gonna work out. This is why I kept the plastic on, which works out perfectly. Also, where did I get this one? Oh, you're back from work already. So you're back from work. Oh yeah, it's on. Damn, time flies when you have fun.
It just took me an hour to get back from Old Saybrook.
Sounds like you had a good time.
And now I'm starting, and then I go back out to the pond.
Sounds like even better. So, the sheet, you get it from, where did I get this from? Home Depot. And this sheet cost me $7 and change. But it depends, again, it depends on yours. Like the sheet was enough for me to be like, I can make two of it. I might have to make one more, but I doubt it. So, bought it for $7 there because I did this before. Had no problem getting it. What up? Nah, I gotta clean it out. I gotta make new ones. That's what I tell you. Listen, I'm not paying $200 for it. That was just it. Oh, the putting on is not that hard to put on. It just, yeah, definitely for sure. You're not even kidding. That's the sad part about it. That's why you learn as much as possible. I love getting interrupted because it's so fun content. Alright, so stricken thing. This is a cordless. Oh my god, I had it in my mind. Can't think about what it is. But this comes in handy. The rotator tool. Oh, this comes so handy. Because you could charge it, and I forgot I could charge this, and hope I don't mess up. I like to cut it in two because this way. This way I do it all side. This thing's not fun to do. But Drillo, that's what it is. So it's gonna take me a while to cut this bad boy out because I don't really have a mean one. And gonna spray it all over again. What this? This is plastic. So it's gonna take me a while to cut these out. I'm not gonna make the video long. This is only part one. And again, this stuff is simple, easy. You can take it out. I mean, go with everything I did. So I only paid $7 for acrylic. If you got Drillo, that works out too. But again, thank you for watching. And part 2 will show you. I have to repaint this out, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. And this is pretty much it. You get a Drillo, or if you have a heavy machine, cut it out. That's it. It's gonna take me a while to cut this bad boy out. And on that note, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Peace.